Next, we'll demonstrate the bullion stitch. Let's start with this middle one. Using 6 strands of color number 6. First, bring up from above. Then, insert below. Hold the needle vertically. Bring up again next to the first point. You can place your finger under the needle. Right hand holds thread. Wrap the thread around the needle. Use your finger to slide the wraps down. When wrapping, check the wrapped portion to see if it's slightly longer than the line. If it's slightly longer, you can stop wrapping. Then hold the wrapped area with your finger. Pull the needle up. One hand gently pulls the thread. One hand adjusts the bullion coils. After adjusting, finally insert at the center point. The first bullion stitch is complete. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up from the left side. Then insert at the center point. Bring up next to where we just came up. One hand holds thread, one hand holds needle. Wrap the thread around the needle. Use your finger to slide the wraps down. Make coils slightly longer than the line. Then, hold the wrapped coils with your finger. Pull the needle up. Adjust the coils with your finger or needle. Insert at the center point. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches even during the process to avoid looseness or over-tightening. The finished bullion stitch creates dimension, adding depth to the work. Insert. This pattern uses the same technique. Complete it using the same steps. This bullion stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.